Hey there, folks. Today we're on an adventure through the world of money, specially designed for you, the teenagers with big dreams. Ever wondered how to turn those aspirations into a cool million? Well, get ready because we're about to navigate through 10 tips that might just pave your path to that $1 million milestone. Tip number 1. Start early. Start smart. Imagine this. You're 16, just landed your first job scooping ice cream or mowing lawns. You're making a few bucks. But instead of spending it all on gadgets and snacks, start saving. It's not about hoarding, but about building your castle brick by brick. But hey, mistakes happen. Sometimes you'll slip up and spend more than you planned. It's okay. Mistakes are our teachers. Tip number 2, invest in yourself. Education isn't just confined within classroom walls. Read books, explore online courses, or join workshops that pique your interest. But be wary of investing in things that don't bring value. Yep, I've been down that road spending on courses that weren't worth a penny. Learning to discern value is key. Tip number 3, harness the power of compound interest. Ever heard the phrase, time is money? Well, in the world of finance, it's gold. By investing early and consistently, your money grows exponentially through compound interest. But watch out for risky investments promising overnight riches. I fell into that trap once, thinking I'd hit the jackpot. But boy, was I wrong. Tip number 4, explore side hustles. From dog walking to freelancing online, side hustles can be your secret sauce. But here's the catch. Balance is the name of the game. I once juggled too many gigs and ended up overwhelmed. Lesson learned. Quality over quantity. Tip number 5, be mindful of expenses. Budgeting isn't just for adults. Tracking your spending helps you understand where your money goes. But oh boy, impulse buys? Been there, done that. That shiny new gadget can be tempting, but learning to differentiate between wants and needs is crucial. Tip number 6, embrace entrepreneurship. Starting a small business can be a game changer. I ventured into the entrepreneurial waters with a lemonade stand once. It fizzled out, but the experience was worth its weight in gold. Don't fear failure, it's a stepping stone. Tip number 7, understand and manage debt. The dreaded D word. It's a double-edged sword. Responsible use of credit cards or loans can build credit. But trust me, drowning in debt is a haunting nightmare. I learned the hard way, and it wasn't pretty. Tip number 8, network and learn from mentors. Seek guidance from those who've walked the path before you. Mentors offer wisdom and direction. But here's a misstep I made. Blindly following advice without evaluating it. Not every path fits every shoe, right? Tip number 9, diversify investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, they say. Investing in different avenues spreads risk. But let me tell you, over-diversification can be overwhelming. Balancing variety and control is key. Tip number 10, stay persistent and adapt. The road to $1 million isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Setbacks will come knocking, but it's how you respond that matters. I once hit a plateau and almost threw in the towel. Adapting and pushing forward was the game changer. So my fellow dreamers, while there's no magic spell to summon $1 million, these 10 tips might just lay the groundwork. Mistakes and setbacks are part of the journey, but each stumble is a lesson in disguise. Keep dreaming big, keep learning, and who knows, your $1 million story might just be around the corner.